Good day, sir. My name is Carmela Guevara, and here are my activities to my topic entitled Giving Constructive Feedback to Students. One for individual activity, one for pair activity, and one for group activity. In these activities, my objective hits this: understand the importance of giving constructive feedback in helping students learn and improve, explain why timely feedback is more effective in guiding student progress, recognize the value of balancing positive and negative feedback to keep the students motivated.
Okay, class, are you all ready for today's activity? Yes. Okay, this activity we have one individual activity, one pair activity, and one group activity. Again, are you all ready? Yes. Okay, let's start first the individual activity. Now I have here worksheet. Okay, look at the mirror pictures in your worksheet. Imagine it is you and read the instruction silently. Are you all done? Yes. And now you will now answer the worksheet. I'll give you 2 minutes to answer. Two minutes is up. Pass your worksheet to the center aisle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Thank you so much. And now let's proceed to the pair activity. Are you all ready? Yes. Now, group is and now find your partner. And now let's go to our pair activity. And now I want you to find your partner in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now I am here to start. Justin and Kyla, kindly proceed to the front. I'll give you 1 star and 1 star. Now give your star to your partner and say something good about his personality. I want you to participate in this activity so that you have a good grade. Okay, go. You talk with your Cebuano or Inche?
I gave this star to my best friend, Camila, because she's not just beautiful, she's also kind, generous, but the look on the thing.
Ihatag din yung star, Justin, kasi Justin, kay buutan na bata o may pinabaguan, kanunay ka namin tanan. Daghang salamat. Alright, you may have each other. Okay, another pair. Let's have Micah and
I'll give this card to Sheldon because she is kind.
And I give this card to this gentleman. Wow. Happy Dad! No! You will shake your hands!
Then have this other.
Then I have you. And the last pair we have Priscilla and Pada. Okay, and now the last pair we have Priscilla and Jordy. Now you have to cooperate and so you have a good grade. Say hi,
Teacher, ano po?
Yes! Eating has knowledge. Don't go So what's the language, teacher? As long as we understand each other. Hindi ka rin lang bro. Hindi I give this card to Jordan because she is beautiful in the heart. Happy with each other. Alright, thank you so much for your participation. Let's proceed to our last activity, which is the group activity. And I want you to count 1 to 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. All number 1 stay here and all number 2 stay here. And for the instruction, I want you to create a slogan about good feedback. Any word about good feedback. So here is your material. And your Okay, are you all done? Group 1, are you all done? Yes! Group 2? Yes! Okay, and now, pick up a representative to present your work here in front. Group 1, present your work. Stay here.